Hello, welcome back to another Canva for Authors tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to make a little ad like this with rotating text, which I think is quite exciting. Before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are an author and you want to talk to other like-minded authors about Canva, come and join the free and friendly Facebook group Canva for Authors. I will put the link in the description. Righty-ho, let's go. First of all, we go create design. And this one I did as Instagram post. You could just as easily do it as a TikTok video or whatever you want. Brown color, and let's do gradients. And we need a pink. We need that pink really. And we need a yellow. Okay. Let's see if we can find out. So you go to that and click on that, click on yellow. That's pretty, but we want to swap them round. And we want the yellow to be a bit paler. Okay, so now we have a background. And then we are going to copy and paste the text. Reviews help other people know if the book is for them. So if you've read Picture Perfect, which is the name of my book, and then we will duplicate this, delete that, and then we'll go and find the cover of the book, which should already be in your uploads. Okay, so now we've got the picture of the book cover. That's nice and central. We're going to add another text box. And we're going to paste in, please leave a review. And because we want enough text to make a full circle, we're going to say it twice. And let's change the color of that to something nice and bright, like bright red. Right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to animate both of these pieces of text, right? So first of all, let's start with the difficult one. Let's do that one. Effects. We're going to curve. And we're going to make it curve until it joins up. Oh, not too much. Up a bit, please. There we go. Okay, that has joined up. That's pretty good. Now you can make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And if we... Okay. Now then, if we hit the layers button, position, layers, and we put the book at the top, then the text will disappear behind it as it makes a circle. Okay, so now we've joined it up as a circle. Then we go to animate, right? And this is a new section, rotate. There you go, and it rotates. You can make it go faster or slower. Let's just go for normal. And you can layer these animations. So you can have, let's have a look. I quite liked wipe. That's a nice one. Or fade, where it just comes in. Where's the one that types it up? Typewriter. I like that. So let's find ascend wherever that's gone. Ascend. There we go. I like that. So that's what that page looks like. And then because we don't want this one to be too boring, let's animate this one as well. Fade, enter, line. There we go. And let's see what that looks like. Now we need to fiddle about with the timings a little bit. Want to enter And speed goes down a little bit. Did we want it to come in a little bit earlier? Ascend. Ascend. Okay. Okay. There you go. Now, if you wanted to, you can change the timings of these so that they are shorter and apply the same. There you go. Let's have a look. Now all you need to do is hit share and download it, and you are good to go. If you found this tutorial useful, please tell all your friends and like and subscribe to the channel. It makes a big difference to me. And like I said before, if you want to talk to other like-minded authors about Canva and how you can use it in your book promotion, come and join us on Facebook. The group is Canva for Authors, the number 4. Until next time, have a great fortnight. Thank you for your time.